Okay, so you might be thinking, I'm a small channel. How do I get brand deals? And why would a brand even want to work with me? Well, let me tell you the secret to brand deals. Brands want to work with you if you are able to prove four things. Those four things are: number one, can you create authority content in your niche for your specific audience? Number two, can you present the brand in a relatable way? Because people like to see products out being used in the real world by real people. Number three, are you even capable of talking about products on your channel? Have you even done any product related videos, and how do they perform? Which brings me to number four, how does your audience react to your product related videos, and do they find that information valuable? This is what brands are looking for, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create 10 types of authority videos that position you in an amazing way so that brands want to work with you and meet all of these four criteria. So, are you ready? Hey go-getter, I'm Salma Jafri, and on this channel, I help you grow your visibility, credibility, and profitability with YouTube. So if that's what you want to do, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Now, I am going to share with you the types of authority videos that you need to make that will show brands that you know how to create these videos, are capable of creating these videos, your audience reacts well to these videos, and that these videos showcase you as an authority in that area. So let's get to the first type of authority video that you can create right away. So the first type is a product review video. Now this is fairly straightforward. An example of a product review video on my channel is when I reviewed my camera, the Canon M50. Now my criteria for a product review video is very, very simple. On one column, you write the pros of using that product. So all the things that you enjoyed, all the hacks, all the tips, all the positive stuff. And on the other column, you write down the cons, the limitations, the restrictions, what you didn't like, what you didn't enjoy. And that makes for a really great balanced product review. Now, to cap it off, you want to give a clear call to action where people can go and purchase this product. Now, a product review video is loved by brands because it shows that you are capable of presenting a product in a non-salesy way. It's not an ad. You are showcasing both sides in a way that makes it clear who this product is for and who it's not for. The second type of authority video you should be creating on your channel if you want to attract brands are product tutorials. Now, tutorials are slightly different from reviews. A tutorial video is typically a step-by-step video showing the product in use. Now, for an example, you can watch my TubeBuddy tutorial video, which is one of the first tutorial videos I actually ever created on this channel that got me brand deals. And that tutorial video is basically showing features or functions of a product. So you want to walk people through an actual result that they want to achieve with the product. So in my TubeBuddy tutorial, the result was doing keyword research, right? So a tutorial video shows a process, a methodology, steps that you use the product to achieve a specific result. And brands love tutorial videos because it shows their product in the real world, how actually people are using their product, and it really positions their product in a very relatable way to their audience. Okay, the next type of authority video that you can create to attract brand deals are tips on using the product. Now, I'll give you a few examples of this on my channel. For example, my video editing tips walks you through using InVideo to actually do your editing. And also, I have a tips-based video where I use Placeit to create thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails. Both of these are great examples of showcasing a product, but using it to describe tips for the eventual use case. So for InVideo, the eventual use case was editing, video editing, and for Placeit, the eventual use case was creating YouTube thumbnails. So tips on creating YouTube thumbnails, tips on editing using the product. So what that does is when you talk about your tips, they're very personal to you. They're your personal tips. So it's not a generic, product demo or anything like that. It is tips based on your interaction with the product, right? So it is you talking about how to achieve X result video editing or creating thumbnails using that product. It is very non-salesy, it is very relatable, and it shows the highlighted features of the product that you personally as the creator enjoy. So it is a really great showcase video for a brand to see on your channel. My next type is a wonderful idea if you are targeting people who are ready to buy. So this authority video is called Is the Product Worth It? Now, when you create a video about is the product worth it, you are targeting a market that is deciding whether they should purchase that product. So they're already aware of it. They just need to make a buying decision. So an example of this video on my channel is keywords everywhere worth it? So I've already done a tutorial video on it earlier. Then I created a video on whether it's worth it or not. And inside the video, I talk about how much it costs and what is the value that you get for that cost. So when you create a Is the Product Worth It video, what you're doing inside that video is talking about cost versus value, right? So for this amount of money, what do you actually get? And then this video culminates with your verdict at the end. Was it worth it? Is it worth it? So it is a great way to keep people engaged and watching all the way till the end because they want to know, well, do you think it's worth spending this amount of money on this product? The next type of video that does amazingly well with brands is a comparison video. Now, this video establishes your authority in your niche because you are pitting two different products against each other. I'm going to use my client Kenny as an example for this. Kenny did a video pitting the Vitamix blender versus the Ninja Foodie blender on his Raw Foods YouTube channel. And that video, I think, is one of his most viewed video to date. And that video got him a brand deal pretty much right off the success of that comparison video. Why? Because a brand saw that he is pitting two different products and they wanted to hire him to create a comparison video about their product versus a competitor. And this is a great way to get brand deals because a lot of times brands know that consumers are considering their product versus a competitor's product. And if you can highlight the features of why they should go for one or the other, then that is a really great positioning play for you as a creator, and brands love it. So Kenny was able to get a brand deal based off of that comparison video. So when you're making comparison videos, think about, okay, what two products in your niche are competitors naturally that you could talk about? And the really great way to think about this is that you want to take an approach that serves your audience. So you're not for one brand or for the other brand. You are thinking about audience fit. So maybe one product is a great fit for this type of audience, and maybe the other is a great fit for that type of audience. So you can really approach this topic from the perspective of your audience and what is a great fit for them. Now, when you are making these authority videos, brands are going to be watching these videos, or you can send them to brands as examples of the kind of videos that you create, and therefore you are way more likely to get brand deals because all the four things that I mentioned in the beginning that brands are looking for and are now on your channel for brands to see. So there is no ambiguity, there is no pitching, you don't have to worry about selling your channel or yourself. The results are there, they're on your channel once you create these authority videos. And if you would like the full 10 authority videos, I have put that in a guide, which is down in the description below. It is a guide on all 10 authority videos to create and how to create them to attract brands. So let me know which of these authority videos are you going to create next on your channel. Tell me in the comments below. And if you would like to go to the next step and actually learn how to pitch brands and how to find great brands to work with, then I highly recommend signing up for my Brand Deals workshop, which is about a 2-hour workshop that will walk you through everything you need to know to get brand deals, even if you are a small YouTube channel. The link for that is in the description below, and I will see you in the next one.